everyone, this is Lily Things from Japan and welcome to my channel. Now, I'm so excited to share my iPhone 13 mini unboxing. What I love about this, Apple says, is that 1.5 hours longer than iPhone 12 mini. And aside of longer battery life, it has new cinematic mode. So let's check it out this video. And now, I'm so excited to use this. This is my iPhone 11 and my new iPhone 13 mini, and I feel like holding iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye! See you next my vlog!